All right, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, back with another cruise news story for you, and one that could affect a few people out there because for the first time, Carnival Cruise Lines is going to require the booster shot, at least for one upcoming cruise. So for those that are booked on the April 17th Carnival Journeys cruise aboard the Carnival Spirt, well, Carnival Cruise Lines has sent out a letter stating that the booster shot is going to be required for those that are eligible to receive it. And this letter basically lets guests know that, hey, if you are eligible to get it, you will have to be up to date on all of your vaccinations, including the booster shot. Like I said, if eligible, and if you don't plan to get the booster shot, you are not going to be able to sail on this particular cruise. I'm going to go ahead and put the letter up here on the screen to exactly what Carnival has said about this. Due to the length of this voyage, all guests will be required to be fully vaccinated and up to date with their vaccines. This means vaccination records must indicate a guest received their final dose of an authorized COVID-19 vaccine at least 14 days prior to sailing date, not counting embarkation day. If a guest is eligible for a booster, their vaccination record must also indicate proof of having received a COVID-19 booster. If you are eligible for a booster and do not plan to receive your booster dose in time for your cruise, please contact our guest services department by March 25th, 2022, so we can cancel your reservation and process a full refund. Guests without proper proof of vaccination, including a booster shot for those who are eligible, or testing, will be denied boarding and no refund will be issued. So there you have it. If you are booked on that cruise, have not received your booster shot, and are eligible to do so, and don't plan to get it done, get in contact with Carnival immediately. That way you can get a refund, because the way this reads to me is that if you wait till after the 25th, and you go to the cruise port and they determine you are eligible and you didn't receive it, you're going to get denied boarding, and then they're not going to be giving you a refund. So don't lose your money over not getting a booster shot. Now, this is the only cruise that Carnival has announced that this is happening on, and they're saying it's simply because the length of the cruise. It's 16 days long, and between the length of the cruise and the number of sea days together, that is why they are going to be requiring the booster shot. And like I said, this is the only cruise that they are currently requiring it on, but it is not the only long Carnival Journeys cruise out there. So I think that's something to kind of keep in our minds, that if they're doing it on this cruise and it's based on cruise length of 16 days, and they have future Carnival Journey cruises scheduled that are, the same length or roughly the same length of time, this could be something that we may see come up again on those particular cruises. Now, I don't expect we're going to see this on shorter cruises, not on our 5-day cruises, not on our 7-day cruises. Right now, they're only indicating it's because of cruise length that this requirement is coming up, but it has come up now. It is something to keep an eye on. And if, like I said, if you are booked on a Carnival Journeys cruise in the future, past this one on April the 17th, it's just something to kind of keep in the back of your mind, that this could happen to you as well. And this is a bit of a short notice. I mean, it is March 17th now, and the ship sails on April 17th. So you've got 1 month to get the shot done to make sure you are eligible to get on this cruise if that's something you're going to do. And as of today, you have 1 week until the 25th to make that particular decision. So I just wanted to get that information out there in case you are booked on this particular cruise, to make sure you are aware of it. If you're booked on any future Carnival Journey cruises, just to make sure you are aware that this is a possibility that you could see in the future. That way, you're not surprised later on. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.